In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a passport size photo using Canva. Canva is an incredible tool for all kinds of design work, and crafting a perfect passport size photo is really straightforward once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to open up Canva in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the button that says Custom Size, usually found on the upper right corner of your screen. By clicking on this, you'll have the ability to create a design with the exact dimensions you need for a passport photo. Now in the custom size menu, we're going to adjust the width and height. For a standard passport photo, you'll want both the width and height to be set to 51. This will ensure that your design is perfectly square, which is just the layout we need for a passport image. After you've set those dimensions, it's time to bring your vision to life by clicking the Create New Design button. This action will open a blank canvas that will serve as your working area, ready for your creative touch. Next, let's get your photo uploaded. Look to the left-hand side menu and click on Uploads. This area is where you can bring in your own images into Canva. After clicking Uploads, select the photo from your computer that you want to turn into a passport-sized image and simply drag and drop it into the canvas area. Once your image is on the canvas, you might need to adjust its positioning to ensure it fits perfectly within the square dimensions. This step is all about tweaking the image until it looks just how you'd like. You can drag the corners of the image to resize it if necessary, or use Canva's built-in tools to align and center your photo. This is a good chance to make sure the photo aligns with common passport photo guidelines, like having a clear view of your face and a neutral background. Before finalizing the design, do a quick check to make sure everything looks right. This is your final chance to make any necessary tweaks to the size or placement of the image. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Look towards the top right of the Canva toolbar for the download button. Clicking this will bring up a menu where you can choose your preferred file format. JPEG is a fine choice for most photo printing needs, and just like that, you've made a passport-sized photo using Canva. With some practice, you'll find this process to be both simple and efficient. Thank you for following along, and don't hesitate to explore the vast design possibilities Canva has to offer.